Alright, we're going to use this page to complete URL on IXL. We're going to factor each target number fully on the page. So in this first problem, my target number is 50. So I'm going to factor 50. That just means I write 50 and underline it. Now then, where do I start? 1 and 50. Is 50 a multiple of 2? Yes, because it ends in a 0. So 2, it's going to be 2 and something, and I have to know that it's 2 and 25. Is 50 a multiple of 3? I'll check the digit sum. 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 is not a multiple of 3. And so 3 is not on the list. Is 50 a multiple of 4? No, because 2 is paired with an odd number. 2 is paired with 25. Is 50 a multiple of 10? I'm sorry, is 50 a multiple of 5? Yes, if there's a 0 or a 5 in a units place. It's going to be 5 times 10. Is 50 a multiple of 6? Well, 3 is not on the list. If 2 and 3 are not on the list, then 6 won't be on the list. Is 50 a multiple of 7? I would think of nearby multiples of 7. That's going to be 49 plus 1, so no. Is 50 a multiple of 8? No, because 4 is not on the list. Is 50 a multiple of 9? No, because the digit sum is 5. Is 50 a multiple of 10? Yes, it's going to be 10 and 5. But when my factors repeat, I'm done. I'm done-a-roni. There are no more factors to find. And so those equations are 1 times 50. 50 is 2 times 25. And 50 is 5 times 10. I'm going to factor the number 16. Where will I start? 1 and 16. Is 16 a multiple of 2? Yes. It's going to be 2 and 8. Notice how I lined up my place value. Is 16 a multiple of 3? The digit sum is 7, so no. Is 16 a multiple of 4? Yes. 4 and 4. My factors have repeated, 4 and 4, so I'm done. So that's 1 times 16, 2 times 8, and 4 times 4. I'm going to factor number 12. Where do I start? 1 and 12. 12 is even, so 2 and 6. 1 plus 2. 3 is on the list because the digit sum is 3. It's 3 and 4. 2 is paired with an even number, so 4 will be on the list. It'll be 4 and 3, and when my factors repeat, I'm done. Done-a-roni. There are no more factors to find. So that's 1 times 12, 2 times 6, and 3 times 4. I'm going to do a slightly more challenging example. I'm going to factor 80, and there are no helping parts on the screen. Where will I start? 1 and 80. 80 is even, so 2 is on the list. That's 2 times 40. The digit sum is 8, so 3 is not on the list. However, 2 is paired with an even number, so 4 is on the list. It's going to be 4 and 20. This number ends in a 0, so 5 is going to be on the list. That is 5 and 16. Three is not on the list. 2 and 3 have to be on the list for me to check 6. I'm going to think about my nearby multiples of 7. That's 70, 77, 84, so not 7. Let's see, what about 8? Well, 4 is paired with an even number, so yes. It's going to be 8 and 10. 3 is not on the list, so I don't have to check 9. And then I'd have 10 and 8. So my factors repeat at that point, and I'm done. So 1 times 80, 2 times 40, 4 times 20, 5 times 16, and 8 times 10.